Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite Korean skincare secrets for getting that healthy, glowing complexion that everyone envies. What is Korean skincare? Korean skincare is a holistic approach to skincare that focuses on using natural ingredients and gentle, effective products to promote healthy, glowing skin. Some of the key pillars of Korean skincare include: Number 1. Double cleansing. This involves using an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and sunscreen, followed by a water-based cleanser to deep cleanse the skin. Number 2. Toner. Toner helps to balance the skin's pH levels and prepare it for further skincare steps. Number 3. Essence. Essence is a lightweight serum that helps to hydrate and plump the skin. Number 4. Sheet masks. Sheet masks are a quick and easy way to deliver concentrated nutrients to the skin. Number 5. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is essential for protecting the skin from harmful UV rays. Here's a simple Korean skincare routine that you can follow at home. Thanks for watching.